Guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how to do a very delicious carrot cake. Let's start off with our carrots. I put my carrots in a stovetop pressure cooker just so they can be soft and it's easier. Then we're going to add our oil and our sugar. We're going to mix that. You can also use a hand mixer if it's easier and better for you. Once it looks like this, we're going to add our eggs. Don't forget that you can always find the recipes to each of my videos down below in the description box. Now we're going to add our cinnamon and our flour. Let that mix together. Let's add our vanilla. Look how pretty it's looking. It looks so good. Next, we're going to smash our carrots when they're nice and soft, and we're going to add them to our mix. This step right here is optional. You don't have to do this, but I like to add walnuts to my carrot cake simply because it gives it a better taste, and I love walnuts. So I add my walnuts and then I go ahead and spray my pans. I use these little tiny like loaves just for the purpose of the video, but you can use any size pan that you like. These are ready to go in the oven. Make sure your oven is already preheated. And once again, everything will be down below in the description box. Now it's time for our frosting. Cream cheese frosting. This is my favorite part. We're gonna add our butter. We're gonna let that mix. I like to use my butter straight out of the refrigerator simply because it gives my cream cheese frosting a thicker consistency to it. I've noticed that when I use room temperature butter, my cream cheese frosting is like very like runny, and I don't like that at all. So once we let our butter mix for a little bit, we're gonna add our powdered sugar and our cream cheese. Look how fast my machine was going. And I also like to add a little bit of cornstarch to my frosting just so it can make the consistency a little bit thicker. Now I am doing these little decorations with buttercream. I popped these in the freezer for like 10 minutes just to let them harden up. And now it's time to decorate. This is a very easy and simple carrot cake recipe to do, and I am for sure that you guys are going to love it. Once the cake is all decorated with the frosting, I took out my pan of carrots and I popped it onto the cake. Look how cute it looks. You do have to work fast with this step because if you don't, the buttercream will like start to like melt and get soft and you won't be able to take the carrot out of the parchment paper. So be very quick on that step. And just to add a little extra touch to it, because you know I'm all extra and I gotta be pretty, I added some walnuts to the top of the cake. And that's it. That's it. You are all done. Look how cute. And it is very delicious. Try it out and let me know down below in the comment what you guys think. Also, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe so you don't miss any of my videos.